In a magical land far, far away, there lived a little boy named Billy. He was an ordinary boy with an ordinary life, but he always dreamed of something extraordinary. One day, as he walked home from school, he stumbled upon a mysterious old wizard. "Boy," the wizard said, "I have been watching you. You have a heart pure and kind, and I have a gift for you." "A gift?" asked Billy, his eyes wide with wonder. "Yes, a magical power that will transform you into a superhero named Shazam," said the wizard, raising his staff. With a flash of lightning and a boom of thunder, Billy was transformed. He looked at himself in the mirror and gasped. He was now tall and strong, with muscles bulging and a cape fluttering behind him. "Wow!" he exclaimed. "This is amazing." "Now, use your powers wisely," the wizard said. "Remember, Shazam stands for wisdom, strength, courage, and justice. You have the power to make a difference." Billy, now Shazam, set out to protect his town from those who wanted to do harm. He saved kittens from trees, helped old ladies cross the street, and even stopped a runaway train. But one day, a giant appeared, threatening to destroy the town. Shazam knew he had to stop him, but he was afraid. "Don't be afraid, Shazam," the wizard's voice echoed in his mind. "You have the power of courage within you." With a deep breath, Shazam charged at the giant, using all his strength, wisdom, and courage. It was a fierce battle, but in the end, Shazam emerged victorious. The town cheered as Shazam returned to his ordinary life as Billy. He realized that he was not just a superhero, but a hero in his everyday life too. From that day on, Billy learned that everyone has the power to make a difference, whether they are a superhero or just an ordinary boy. And whenever he needed to be Shazam again, he would simply say, "Shazam." As he went to bed that night, Billy smiled, knowing that he could face anything that came his way. After all, he was Shazam, the boy with the heart of a hero.